Okay, so today we're going to focus on pyramids and cones.
No.
Yesterday, our prism had a volume of area of the base times the height. Today, our pyramid has the volume of 1/3 area of the base times the height. You will get equations, but you'll have to figure out which one belongs to who. But I don't think that should be a problem. Like, I'll have a list of equations, and you just have to know, oh, that one's the pyramid. I will show you on Monday what the formula sheet looks like. Does that sound good? Okay. The test is on Thursday. Okay?
You should do the extra ball.
You should let me teach this example. Okay. So, in number 1, we have a pyramid. So, volume is 1/3 area of the base times the height. What shape is the base of our pyramid?
Rectangle.
It would be a rectangle. Okay? So, our base is a rectangle that is 10 by 11. And what's the height of our pyramid? The height of our pyramid is 16. So, our volume is 1/3 times 110 times 16. Oh, beep, beep, boop, boop, calculate it.
586.666.
Do you think it's just a random number of 1/3?
Who decided?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, why can't I do 1/4 based on height?
What if they were wrong? What if it's like 1/6?
It's not wrong.
It could be.
We wouldn't know if it was wrong.
But it could.
I get is 1/2, so that makes like the full rectangle. Silly? You are silly.
Okay. 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 Man, I thought these would help me here.
Miss, you might have to use those post-its on the table.
Might have to. They're just like a little bit too tall. Okay. There is like a mathematical reason for that 1/3.
What is
Well, I
this?
believe, I was wondering, like, I don't know.
Okay. Like there would be, I could probably find a proof of it, but I don't think that it would be like super exciting for you. I'll look for one.
No.
Okay. Okay. What did your calculators tell you?
586.6666666.
So 586.7? Oh, did I totally just miss her coming?
You did? She's still outside yelling. Yeah. You must, yeah. Things are required to get through. I don't know.
Nope. It's done. Okay. Inches cubed. Okay, now hop to number 3. If I was finding surface area, I would be really excited about number 3. But I'm finding the volume. Is 25 feet my height for the pyramid? No, it's what we call our slant height. Okay, so we're going to need to figure out what our actual height is by using the Pythagorean theorem.
Okay.
What's our height? It's 24. Hey, that's a Pythagorean triple. So our volume is 1/3 area of the base times the height. Our base is a square that has area of 196. And our height we figured out is 24. So our volume is 1/3 times 196 times 24. Beep, beep, boop, boop.
1568. Oh, it's because I messed up.
All right. You know what? I want to see if you can do number 4 without me. It's a triangular pyramid, but you can do that, right? Of course you can. You do not need the green theorem.
Come on now.
Trying to intimidate him, but instead I made you
The height is 10.
Well, I know that. What's the big base?
The big base. The big base.
What's the big base?
So it's the height of the triangle. So like 12 is the base, and 7.5 is the height of that base triangle.
Yeah.
I don't know, I have to.
It's 44.
Is that
It's not 150.
Oh my goodness. Yep.
It's 150.
I'm getting people with an answer of 150.
You divide by.
I forgot.
Okay, eyes up here. Eyes up here. Our base is a triangle. A triangle that is a base of 12 and a height of 7.5. So when we find its area, 1/2 base times height, what's 6 times 7.5? And the height of our pyramid is 10. So then we have to do 1/3 area of the triangle times 10. All right, now look at number 5. Why are you groaning?
Pythagorean theorem.
Why?
Because we don't got the height.
No, we don't cut. Oh, I get it.
Okay, if our base is this triangle, it's a right triangle, which means we need the 2 legs. This side is 14, the hypotenuse is 22.1, but we don't have the other leg of our triangle. So yes, oh man, we have to do Pythagorean theorem.
So just green theorem.
Am I hearing a 17.1? Going once, going twice?
Miss, who invented the Pythagorean theorem?
I'm not going to answer that question.
How did I mess up? I did 22 divided by 1, that, and then squared, and then minus that.
Well, no. It's 22.1, the whole thing, not divided by 2.
But I thought you had to divide.
Nope, because it is this. It's like a part of the triangle. It's the whole hypotenuse. All right, so our base is 1/2 times 14 times 17.1, which is
I got it.
Oh, I was gonna come save you.
Wait, no, no.
Wait.
It's Jack's.
119.7. No, that's not the final.
Oh, yeah.
That's the base?
Oh, base.
And then the height is 19. So if we take 1/3 area of the base times the height, that is when we should get an answer of 758.1. Code word pineapple.
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 Pineapple!
Yeah, you have to say pineapple tomorrow.
If you're listening to this, you have to let us know that you heard the code word pineapple.
All you have to do 20%.
Yeah, 20 push-ups.
Okay.
Bro, that was so dirty.
Hey,
Don't tell them. I want Daniel to do quiz.
all right. Now, number 6 intrigues me.
It doesn't intrigue me.
Because it's an equilateral triangle. So let's draw it.
It's kind of dirt on that.
Bro, that was fire. That was kind of
Okay, so I have the base of the triangle. How do I get the height?
I know what. Split in half of your right.
Okay, what is this angle right here?
60.
Oh, it's 60. So if this is 5,
60 on triangles, it's 5.
then this is 5 radical 3.
Unless you do it.
I mean, you could, but it'd take you longer than remembering that a 30, 60, 90 triangle from short leg to long leg is times square root of 3. Just saying.
I'm gonna forget about that one.
The 36 to 90 triangle. 60 what? For the entire triangle.
The height of our pyramid is 16. So Lucas, what'd you get for your final answer? Oh, I thought you were. Sorry. Cole?
Wait.
Well, you're not calculating.
Yeah, I just
Oh, I did that. I did that times 10. Wait, like that.
That is definitely
Come on,
not
Cole,
right.
why would you do that?
You probably get 200 and something.
230 point. 230.
Like that.
230 point.
Oh.
43 point. I got
Okay. Okay. Hey, the last thing we're going to do, can you stop being crazy?
Why are you throwing pencils?
The last thing. The last thing we're gonna do, go to the next page, we're gonna talk about the volume of a cone.
Oh, we already did.
We did the surface area of a cone.
Now we're doing
Volume. Now, remember that the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. The volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. Well, okay, if we're talking about volume, pyramids and cones are just 1/3 of what we would do with prisms. Okay, so in number 7, we have volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. Well, our radius is 9 and our height is 17. I know that this is like, oh yeah, that looks easy. It is, but I want to make sure that you can get the right answer in your calculator, because if you can't use your calculator, it doesn't matter if you can set it up, because you're not going to get the right answer if you can't use your calculator.
got 1,000.
2.0?
Yeah. 1,000. I just erased it. 1,140 something.
1,442.
0.0.
Did you get this with your calculator?
Yes.
What does that say?
Wait, I'm fluent.
What does that say?
Okay,
What does that say?
now, hey, we're gonna do, hey, you guys, we're gonna do one more together, and then I'll give you some time for your homework. I want you to look at number 9. In number 9, what does 27 represent?
The diameter.
So what's the radius? 13.5? What does 22.5 represent? The slant height. I don't care about the slant height. I want the actual height. So make sure you use the Pythagorean theorem to find the actual height. Ooh, I think it's a nice number. It's 18. Nice. So our volume would be 1/3 pi radius of 13.5 squared times a height of 18.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. What'd you get?
3435.4 kilometers.
Could you maybe say that number correctly?
3,435.4.
You have 0.3?
Yeah, it's 0.3.
Oh, wait, yeah. Okay, Drew, you know what?
I got, yeah, that's what I got.